Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss Maxwell equation. First of all, what is Maxwell? Maxwell equation is a equation that describes the behavior of electromagnetic field. What is electromagnetic field? Electromagnetic field is a combination of electro and magnetic field. When it is generated, when a charge is accelerating, then the electromagnetic field will generate. When charge is moving or accelerating, then this pattern of field will be generated. So application radio and TV transmission, optics, microwave oven are the application of Maxwell equations. There are 4 Maxwell equations. In this lecture we will discuss first Maxwell equation. First Maxwell equation and other name is Gauss's law for electricity. We know that Gauss's law states that electric flux is equal to charge per epsilon naught. What is epsilon naught? Epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. There is constant. This is equation A for Gauss's law. We know that electric flux will be equal to closed integral of electric field and area. This is equation B. Compare both equations, we get Q over epsilon naught is equal to closed integral of electric field and area. This is equation C. We know that the total charge in volume charge density, the charge will be equal to integral of charge density, volume integral of charge density. So this value put in this equation, put value of Q in this equation. Charge density over epsilon naught is equal to closed integral of electric field and area. By putting a value of Q in this equation C, we get this equation using divergence theorem. Divergence theorem is stated that the closed integral convert into volume integral. This is statement of divergence theorem. Closed integral of electric field convert into volume integral of electric field. This equation is F. From equation F, the equation D become replacement of this factor will be this. So volume integral, this factor is same, this factor is same. Changing is this replacement of closed integral into volume integral. So this equation is become by changing closed integral into volume integral by seeing equation F. So by arranging, this factor will be cancelled and this is final result. This is differential form of Maxwell